Hello guys, today in this video we will talk how to delete your Twitter account or X account. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you, like, you just need to simply visit on Twitter and you need to log in into your account, and all steps are same for mobile and same for desktop version. Okay, you just need to simply tap on these three dots, like more option. Once you select this more option, it will show you this kind of options, like account settings and privacy and all. You need to select settings and privacy. Okay, and once you select settings and privacy, it will show you this kind of options. You need to select account setting, your account details, and over here you can see at the very bottom side, deactivate your account. Okay, so by using this way you can easily, you can say, like, delete your account or deactivate your Twitter account. Okay, now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.